Is Creator Alliance a scam? Now, before I show you any complicated documents or proof, let's just do something very simple here. Let's just Google Creators Alliance like this. Now, let's see what comes up. The thing that comes up is their official overview here from the government UK, and then limited, and then a press release. And then there's going to be a couple of posts here, like say, Creator Alliance is a multi-level marketing Ponzi scheme. And then on Reddit, Creator Alliance Caribbean, a scam. It's a victim story posted on the subreddit r/scams, right? And then bye-bye Creator Alliance, Creator Alliance, Creator Alliance Limited. Now let's go to the second page here for good measure. So you can see, let's just look around it. Let's just look. And you can see Grammy Creators Alliance, Creators Alliance Limited, Creators Alliance, and then FIA Interest Creators Alliance social media posts. Now, from these posts, from the limited publicity that they have, the very sparse presence they have on the internet, and then there's a couple of things that they say like Creator Alliance is a multi-level marketing Ponzi scheme. What can you take out of that, right? So, for example, let's go here to the Facebook page here. Let's just look at it. Now you can see this is a warning to everyone that Creator Alliance is a multi-level marketing Ponzi scheme. Let's just go to malware tips here, for example. Now on malware tips here, let's just wait for it to load. Now once here, you'll see carols.com test scam. Why is it called Carols? Now Creator Alliance, their domain is called carols.com, right? So don't worry, this is still Creators Alliance. Now you can see this is a blog about how Carols.com promises easy money for simple micro tasks like placing order, liking posts, or watching videos. However, beneath this glossy facade lies a scam designed to financially exploit unsuspecting victim, right? Now, you can see on some of these, this is a lot of scam, right? Now, the scam begins with a lot of steps like introduction to the site, completing initial tasks, landing the lucky order, payments down the rabbit hole, the disappearance act. Now, you can see what it basically will do is just you'll do the micro task, right? And then you'll get something lucky, something to pull you in, and then they just disappear, right? So even though you're not getting anything too bad, right? So the worst is that your time was just wasted. Now, it is a couple of weird things here, right? So when you get a lucky order, you will have to make a Creator Alliance affiliate membership, right? So the lucky thing. Now, this is a Ponzi scheme, which means it's a pyramid scheme, right? So that's the other word of it. Now, full participation in the attached income opportunity requires a minimum of a 130 USDT investment. Now, I said earlier that the worst thing that could happen to you is that you'll just lose your time, right? But if you want to participate in the Creator Alliance affiliate membership, then you will have to pay. And when you pay, they're just gonna disappear, right? And again, it's just a Ponzi scheme, right? Now, there's like a compensation plan here, right? If you're a training creator, invest 130 USDT, you can receive 5 USDT a day for 180 days. If you're an official creator, invest 259 USDT and receive 10 USD a day for 210 days, and then all of these other tiers. Now, you won't receive the money back. It's too easy, right? It's too good to be true. If it's too good to be true, I guarantee you, it is too good to be true. Creators Alliance is a scam.